Hi guys, this is the Python series. Now let's discuss about how the new file can be created by using X mode, A mode and W mode. Okay, W mode creates a new file with a specified name if no such file exists. Okay, it will overwrite the file if any file exists. The file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. I repeat it again. W mode creates a new file with the specified name if no such file exists. Okay, it will overwrite the file if any file exists. What is the position of the file pointer? At the beginning of the file. Okay, so what is the role of the append mode? Append mode creates a new file with a specified name if no such file exists. It appends the content to the file if the file already exists with a specified name. Okay, the file pointer position is at the end of the file. Okay, I repeat it again. Append mode creates a new file with a specified name if no such file exists. It appends the content to the file if the file already exists with the same specified name. What is the position of the file pointer? At the end of the file. Okay. The third mode, X mode, creates a new file with a specified name. It causes an error if the file exists with the same name. The file pointer is at the beginning of the file. I repeat it again. X mode creates a new file with the specified name. It causes an error if the file exists with the same name. The file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Okay. Now let's see this example. Here I have used the open inbuilt method to open this file with this mode. Okay, so we already discussed about the open inbuilt method. Okay, so this open inbuilt method returns the file pointer object. FPTR is the name of the file pointer object. Okay, here I have used the write mode. So what is the role of the write mode? It creates a new file with a specified name if no such file exists. Okay. It will overwrite the file if any file exists. That's it. The position of the file pointer is at the beginning of the file, isn't it? So, if this file is already present, means what will happen? The new content will be overridden the old content. That's it. If the specified name is not present, means what will happen? This file will be created and the content will be stored inside this file. Okay. So, if I use this write mode, the file pointer is at the beginning of the file. I hope you all understood about the write mode. I try to open the file 1 text to file. Okay. So, here inside the D drive, file 1.txt. So, this is my content. God is great. Okay. Now, this file is exist already. So, what will happen? This content will be overridden the old content. Am I correct? Okay. If there is no error inside the try block, means what will happen? The control jumps from the second line to the else block, fifth line. Isn't it? And here I have used the write lines inbuilt method. Okay. So with the help of this write lines, we can write the content to this file pointer object. Okay. So it contains the address of this path of the file, isn't it? And already we have this content. God is great. This file is exist inside the D drive. Okay. Now after execute this program, what will happen? The control comes inside the else block and this content will be written inside the file 1. The old content will be erased. Got it? And this statement will be printed on our console for our message. Okay, now let me execute this one. Here file successfully updated. Okay, now I open the file one again. So actually the old content is God is great. Okay, the old content is overridden by the new content because I have used the write mode, isn't it? Now this file is already exist, isn't it? But now I create a new file, FWE. Inside the D drive, this file is not exist. Okay, FWE is not present inside this D drive. Now, what will happen? Let me execute the same again. So, what is the result? File successfully updated. How? This file is now only created and this content will be stored inside the newly created this text file. Is it clear? Now again I go to the D drive. So here is the newly created text file. Okay, now I open it. This content is placed here. Okay, so if this file is exist means the old content is overridden with the new content. If the specified file is not present means the file will be created and the content will be stored inside the file. Okay, I hope you all understood about the W mode. If there is any error is occurred inside the try block means this except block is responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block. Okay. This is the inbuilt exception class and this is the name of the variable. So the inbuilt error message will be stored inside this variable that will be printed on our console with the help of the print method. If there is no error means the else block will be executed. Okay, now the next one, A mode. So the name itself we know, append. Okay, so the specified file is not present means what will happen? Our content will be stored inside the newly created file. Okay, if the specified file is already present means what will happen? The old content is present and our new content will be added inside the file with the old content. That's why we can call it as append. This is my file path. Okay, file 432. This is present inside the D drive. Now I open file 432. Okay, good. Thank you. This is my old content. Okay, now I want to append a new content. Okay. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. Okay. Let me execute this one. File successfully updated. This is only the output message. Okay. Now I open the same file 432. Now the old content is present and the new content is also present. Health is wealth. This is our old content and this is our new content. Okay. That's why we can call it as append mode. So the file pointer position is at the end of the file, not the beginning of the file. Okay. If we open any file using append mode, the file pointer position is at the end only. Okay, I hope you all understood about the difference between the write mode and the append mode. Okay, write mode means the old content will be overridden. Append mode means the old content is present and the new content will be added. Okay, and write mode means the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Okay, beginning of the file. If we use the append mode, the file pointer position is at the end of the file. Okay. The next one, X mode. Okay. So it causes some error. What type of error? If the specified file name is already present, it will generate the error. Okay. So this is my file. If this file is already present, means what will happen? The X mode produces the error. Okay. Let me execute this one. Here, error number 17, file exists. This file is already present. That's why I got this error. Okay. So, the control jumps from the second line to the third line. And here, this is the inbuilt exception class, file exists error. Okay. This is one of the inbuilt exception class. And here, this is the variable. The inbuilt error message is stored here. That is printed here. Okay. Now, I give some new name. Apple. Okay. Now, this is not present in my D drive. Okay. Apple is not present. What will happen? This file will be created. Okay. So, this won't give any errors. Okay. Now, let me execute the same again. A file successfully created. Okay. I go and check inside the D drive Apple. Now, this file is created and the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. If we create any file with this mode, means the specified file name is exist, means it will give the error. The specified file name is not present only, this won't give any error. The file will be created smoothly. Okay. So now I have completed the write mode, append mode and X mode. Okay. So if we use the write mode, the old content is overridden. If we use the append mode, the old content is present and the new content will be added. For write mode, the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Okay, X mode also, the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Okay, but if we use the X mode, means what will happen? If the specified file name is already present, this mode creates the error. If the specified file is not present, means this file will be created. Now let's discuss about how to open the file using the with statement and how to read the content from the file using the read method, read line method and read lines method. Okay, first let's see this example. Here I have used the with statement. Okay, the with statement is useful in the case of manipulating the files. Okay, so what is the syntax? With is the keyword and open is the inbuilt method. Inside the round brackets, we have to pass two parameters. Okay, the first parameter is what? The file name. The second one is the mode. Okay, and then the keyword and the file pointer object. Okay, and colon and then the indentation. So this indentation indicates that the block of code. Okay, we know already. Here, I have used the write inbuilt method. We already discussed about this write inbuilt method. This is used to write the content into this file pointer object file because it holds the address of this file. So, this statement will be written inside this file one. Okay, and this is our output message successfully updated. What is the usage of with statement? It is always suggestible to use the with statement in the case of files because if the break, return or exception occurs in the nested block of code, then it automatically closes the file. We don't need to write the close function explicitly. Got it? So what is the usage of with statement to open the file? The with statement does not let the file to corrupt. This is the main advantage. Okay. So what is the usage of with statement? I repeat it again. With statement does not let the file to corrupt. Okay. This is the advantage of using the with statement to open the file. Okay. There is no need to explicitly write the close function if we use the with statement to open the file. Okay. I hope you all understood about what is the usage of with statement to open the file. Okay. Here, let me execute this one. Successfully updated. Inside the D drive, file 1. Here I have given the write mode. So, this content overridden the existing content. If this file is not present inside the D drive, means this file is created and this content is written. Okay. But if the file is not present inside the D drive, what happens? This file is created and this content is written. Okay. If we open any file using the W mode, means the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Okay. Now I open the file. Here we got thank you and welcome. Okay. And read method. How to use the read method to read the content from the existing file. Here I have used the R mode. Okay. If we use the R mode, means the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Am I correct? Here this is my file. Inside the D drive, I have this file. Okay. Here I have used the with statement. So now only we have discussed, if you use the with statement, there is no need to use the close method explicitly. Isn't it? So it does not let the file to corrupt. This is the advantage of with statement. Here I have used the read inbuilt method. Inside the read inbuilt method, I have passed the integer number. Okay. So it indicates that the number of bytes to be read from the beginning of the file. Okay, it indicates the number of bytes to be read from the beginning of the file. This is the file pointer object. Okay, so it holds this file. So now with the help of this statement, I read the 5 bytes from the beginning of this file text to file. Okay, and I want to check the data type of this variable. So I have used the type of method. Okay, type of cont returns the string only. Okay, that content will be printed on our console. Okay, let me execute this one. So this is our output. The type of content returns the string data type and the content from this file only up to 5 bytes. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and space 4 and this is the 5th byte. Got it? And read line method. Okay, this is also one of the inbuilt method to read the line from the specified file. Okay, so this is the file pointer object and read line method. So what is the difference between read and read line method? So read method returns the character. Okay. So if we give 5 means 5 characters we will get. But read line method returns the line from the specified file. So now let me execute this one. This is my output for this statement and this is my output for this statement. Okay, C1 is the first line from this file and C2 is the second line from this file. Got it? And if I want to read all the lines from the specified file, means what I will do? I can use the read lines method. If I use this inbuilt method, I can read all the content from the specified file. That's it. Okay, let me execute this. Here this is my file content. But it returns the list object. Okay. So if you want to check the data type of the C1, you use the type of inbuilt method, type of C1. Okay. Let me execute the same again. So type of C1 is list. Okay. These are all the lines from this specified file. /n, that is, it indicates this is the new line. It indicates this is the third line. Okay, and this is the fourth line, this is the fifth line. Okay, and if I want to read all the content using the read method, is it possible? Possible. How? If we don't mention any integer value inside the read, means we will get all the content from the specified file. Okay, if you specify the number of bytes here, means the specified number of characters only you will get. If you don't specify the number, means you will get all the content from the specified file. Okay, now I delete this integer value. I execute the same again. Here I got all the content from the specified file. Got it? We have completed the read method, read line method and read lines method, and how to open the file using the with statement. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.